Hi, I'm John, and I am a software engineering manager. So to explain what I do, you can start by thinking about an application that you might use, something like Instagram or Reddit, or even video games if you're into those. So from your perspective, the customer's perspective, you see those applications as one experience that you consume. You might even think that some of those applications, maybe they're built by like 3 or 4 people working together and they're building this application. In reality, there are many, many teams of small groups of people who are working together to build that application to form that one experience that you're consuming. So there could be a group of people working on the posts that you see. There could be a group of people working on your user profile. The group of people working on the groups. All sorts of different parts of your system have various teams surrounding them to build that experience for you. So my job as a software engineering manager is to ensure that each team and everyone on those teams has the tools and the skills required to successfully build their parts of the application. So what are some things I do? I help to prioritize and plan the pieces of the application they need to build. I sometimes jump in and help design and work with them to build out various parts of the application. I provide technical coaching and other coaching on skills where there's room for improvement on those teams. And I work with the people that report to me directly to help them achieve their career goals. So in general, my job is to keep things running as smoothly as possible and keep those teams providing the most value to our customers as possible. So obviously I didn't just become a software engineering manager. So how did I become a software engineering manager? Well, most managers are former software engineers, Java developers, .NET developers, whatever you want to call it. And like a lot of software engineers, I got into programming very young because of my love of video games. I went to college, I got a degree in computer science. And after college, I realized that there's this whole world of things to build with software outside of video games. Just about everything we do on a daily basis has some interaction with something a software engineer's built. I spent my whole career in Nashville, and there's a lot of cool stuff and very cool companies to work for here. I've built everything from guided selling software that Lowe's and Home Depot use to help their employees sell windows and doors to customers when those employees don't really know much about windows and doors. Anyone that's flown in the last couple of years probably seen the TSA pre-check lines. I worked for the company here in Nashville that actually built the whole enrollment system for that. So when you go and you give your fingerprints and it sends it to the FBI and it says, yes, this person's allowed to join the program, built that system. I now work at RealTracks, and we help real estate agents list and market their houses and help them help their clients find a new place to live. All these opportunities and many, many more like them are right here in Nashville. And there is a high demand for software engineers, and that's not going to decrease anytime in the near future.